Hola, today we are going to do a footwork drill sequence in the palo of tangos. If you are more of a beginner, just do the first part of each exercise and be sure to keep your hands on your hips. If you're more experienced, you can try adding palmas along with it. And if you want to dance more with me, I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio, where we have courses that are very systematic, one right after the other, for new beginners all the way through advanced dancers in choreography, technique, and flamenco theory. You can get your 10-day free trial with the button below, but let's begin. All right, so first sequence, golpe. So flat, belly button in, legs relaxed, and now double. 1, 2, hold, 1, 2, hold. Okay. Here we go. Right, left. And now here we go. Taka, 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 taka. Back to the beginning. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, abs in. The movement comes from behind and double. 1, 2, hold, hold. All together. Now, here we go. Taka, 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 taka. Planta. Tacon. Here we go. So ball of the foot and heel. Ball of the foot, heel. Ball of the foot, heel again. So remember, keep your knees relaxed, slightly bent. And ba. And really dig in that heel. And now we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a great warm-up, or you can use it as a drill. And ba, ba, da, ba, ba, da, ba, ba, da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get ready, here we go. Taka, 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 Back to the beginning. Planta, tacon. Planta, tacon. Planta, tacon. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And bam, ba, ba. And here we go. Taka, 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 taka. Back to the beginning. Let's start again from the beginning. But we'll keep the sequences shorter. 5, 6, 7, and golpe. Double. Bam, bam. Here we go. Ba, ba, da, ba, ba, da, ba, ba, da. Remember, keep your hands on your hips. Here we go. let's try just doing the faster sequences back and going from the golpe to the planta. Now, if it's too fast for you, then just play palmas along, okay? Here we go. Ba 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 and taka 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 taka. And switch. Golpe. Planta. And planta. Last round. Thanks for joining me in these footwork drills por tangos, and they were good for warm-ups or just drill, 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 drill. If you want to dance with me more in a more systematic, structured environment, I invite you to join me inside the Online Flamenco Studio. It is my membership site for new beginners through advanced dancers, and we have courses in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory so that you can speak, feel, and dance flamenco. There's a vibrant community. We have monthly challenges, monthly workouts, live trainings, live practice sessions. It's a wonderful place to be where you can either learn flamenco from the very beginning if you don't have flamenco near you, or you can supplement the flamenco that you have with even more robust environment and more robust training. So be sure to click here for your 10-day trial, and I will see you next time. Ciao.